Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to increase your emulator RAM and also how you can make an emulator for your Android studio. You can go to the device manager. After that you can go to the add new, create virtual device, and here you can use your emulator. For example, I used 8 Pro, and next, and here you can use the version, and you can next your emulator will be created. And if you want to see the RAM and graphic of your emulator, you can go to the edit option, show advanced setting, and here you can see the RAM of your device is 2 GB and the graphic is 256 MB. Let's increase it. You can increase it like this. Go to the C drive, and after that go to the user. After that go to your computer, and you can see the Android here, and go to the AVD. Your emulator will be exist here. You open your emulator, go to the config and open it with your notepad. Yes, you can see the hip size in here, and I wanna increase it in 512, and also I wanna increase my RAM. You can see your RAM is here, and also I wanna increase my RAM into 4 GB, and after that you have to save it. Control S. When you save it you this, now you can go to the emulator, close it, and you can open it again. You have to wait. Let's see the RAM size of our emulator. You can go here, go to the edit option, show advanced setting. Yes, now it changed into 4 GB, and also our graphic into 512 MB. It's very good for working, because it's working very fast. Thanks for your attention, and we will see at the next video.